Imagine how beautiful it is to have someone you can open up to, someone who you can trust, someone who you can depend on, someone you know with your gut that they won't screw you over and they won't lose you without a fight, who just can't see themselves without you, someone who will need you just as much as you need them. Imagine having a best friend and falling in love with them and walking through the fire together, hand in hand. Imagine that. Well, that could be you. It could be us. And all you have to do is open your heart. You see, the thing is, love is about two people existing in the past and in the future and making sense of it all in the present. True love is friendship and forgiveness, sacrifice and loyalty. Both the sun and the moon colliding at the very same time.